Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Now many of you have been requesting for healthy recipes and I've been doing the healthy recipe series. In case you guys missed it, please go check the description for all the recipes I've done so far. And today in our healthy recipe series, I'm going to show two simple yet delicious salad recipes. This is our tomato based salads, two different types. So let's get started and check it out. The tomato is actually a fruit from the nightshade family, and we generally eat it like a vegetable. Tomatoes have several health benefits. They are a good source of vitamins, minerals and fiber. So in the salad, I've used the large variety and the small cherry tomatoes. The first salad I'm going to make is a marinated tomato salad. For this, I'm going to make the dressing first. To a small glass bottle or a little jar, I'm going to add all the ingredients of the marinade and give it a quick shake. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 3 teaspoons apple cider vinegar. Now if you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can use lemon juice. Very finely chopped garlic, about 2 teaspoons. Finely chopped onion, about 1 tablespoon. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped basil. And finely chopped coriander, about 1 tablespoon, 1/4 teaspoon salt and about 1 teaspoon pepper. Close the glass jar and give it a good shake. This is just a nice fun way to do it, but if you don't want to use a glass jar, you can always use a bowl and mix everything together. So you can also store the remaining salad dressing in the glass jar and refrigerate it. For the marinated tomato salad, I've taken the large size tomatoes, they're nice and ripe. Just slice them to about 1/2 centimeter in thickness. Just arrange them in a plate like this and just pour the salad dressing on the tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich and high in lycopene, which is a plant-based compound which improves your heart health. So once you've poured the salad dressing on the tomato slices, let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before you serve them. So there is your marinated tomato salad. It's incredibly fresh and delicious with all those nice flavors of garlic, onion and the herbs. It's just fantastic. Everybody will love this and it's so refreshing. The next salad I'm going to make is a simple tomato and feta cheese salad. For this, I'm going to make the salad dressing. To a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. The extra virgin olive oil is not only healthy, but it also adds a lot of taste and flavor to your salad dressings. Next, add the juice of 1 small lemon, 1 teaspoon pepper, about 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon finely chopped garlic. Mix everything nicely. So this salad dressing is done. Keep this aside. To a bowl, add about 20 cherry tomatoes that have been cut into half. Slice 1 medium-sized cucumber. So make sure the slices are not too thin and cut them into half. Add them to the bowl. Next, add 1/2 cup of thinly sliced onions. Now I'm going to add about 100 grams of feta cheese that have been cut into small cubes. Next, I'm going to add a few finely chopped coriander leaves. Next, add a few mint leaves that have been finely chopped. Now pour the prepared salad dressing and mix everything together. So here is this light, refreshing and delicious tomato and feta cheese salad. A bowl of this is very filling and very refreshing. So here are 2 incredibly simple yet delicious tomato salads that are a must try. So try whichever you like, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So I've made two different tomato salads. They're just very simple salads and the vegetables are easily available. You can try whichever you like and enjoy them. Make sure the vegetables are nice and fresh, and do try the recipes, enjoy and share with your family and friends.